Imagine the tension as U.S. fighter jets roar to life, scrambling to intercept Russian warplanes lurking near Alaska's airspace. It's a scene straight out of a Cold War thriller, but it happened just this Wednesday, according to the North American Aerospace Defense Command, NORAD. But here's where it gets controversial. While NORAD insists these incidents are routine and not a direct threat, many experts argue they're part of a calculated strategy by Russia to test the resolve of the U.S. and its NATO allies. Are these flights mere coincidences or a deliberate show of force? Let's dive in. On Wednesday, NORAD detected 4 Russian aircraft, 2 Tu-95 long-range strategic bombers, and 2 Su-35 fighter jets operating within the Alaskan Air Defense Identification Zone, ADIZ. This zone, though international airspace, is a sensitive buffer area adjacent to U.S. and Canadian sovereign skies. In response, NORAD deployed an E-3 early warning aircraft, 4 F-16 fighter jets, and 4 KC-135 tanker planes to identify and intercept the Russian planes. While such interceptions are not uncommon, the timing and frequency of these incidents raise eyebrows. This latest encounter comes on the heels of other provocative actions by Russia. Just last month, a similar incident occurred, and in late August, NORAD tracked a Russian reconnaissance aircraft in the same area. Perhaps most alarming was the September 2024 incident, where a Russian jet flew dangerously close to a NORAD aircraft off Alaska's coast, prompting a U.S. general to label the behavior as unsafe, unprofessional, and endangering all. And this is the part most people miss. These incidents aren't isolated. They coincide with Russia's ongoing invasion of Ukraine, heightened tensions in Europe, and recent drone incursions near Copenhagen Airport, which Danish authorities attributed to a capable actor. European nations are on high alert. In September, Polish and NATO warplanes shot down Russian drones that violated Polish airspace. Days later, Estonia reported Russian fighter jets entering its airspace. These actions, coupled with Zelensky's warning that Putin aims to expand the war, paint a picture of escalating aggression. But why Alaska? The ADIZ serves as a critical security buffer, requiring all aircraft to identify themselves for national security purposes. While no Russian warplane has yet entered U.S. or Canadian sovereign airspace, the repeated tests of this boundary are unsettling. Here's the burning question. Are these flights routine military exercises or a deliberate attempt to probe NATO's defenses and sow discord? Some argue Russia is flexing its muscles to distract from its struggles in Ukraine, while others see it as a strategic effort to gauge Western response times. What do you think? Is Russia simply testing boundaries, or is there a deeper strategy at play?